new adventures. Goodbye to what has passed. Together we'll make memories that are sure to last. Assuring love